Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use the Markdown Editor. Using a Markdown Editor is simple and efficient, making it ideal for writing and formatting tasks without complex tools. Users start by typing plain text and applying formatting through easy-to-learn commands for headings, bold and italic text, lists, and links. Most editor offers a real-time preview, allowing users to see changes instantly as they write. Markdown Guide is a comprehensive resource that provides instructions, examples, and best practices for using Markdown, a lightweight markup language for formatting text. It covers essential syntax such as headings, listing, bold and italic text, links, images, tables, and code blocks, making it easy for users to create well-structured content. The guide is especially useful for beginners looking to learn Markdown and for professionals who want to refine their formatting skills. It also explores advanced features such as block quotes, code blocks, footnotes, and extended syntax for specific platform. Start by understanding the basics of Markdown as a simple, lightweight markup language for formatting text. You can learn how to create headings, bold and italic text, lists, and links using intuitive symbols. With just few commands, you can structure content efficiently without relying on complex formatting tools. Explore Markdown's core syntax, including block quotes, images, tables, and inline code to enhance your documents. Mastering these elements allows you to create well-structured and visually appealing. With clear examples and practical exercises, you can quickly grasp Markdown's formatting capabilities. Advance your skills by learning standard Markdown features such as footnotes, task lists, and custom styling for different platforms. Understanding platform-specific extensions will help you optimize your content for GitHub, Notion, or blogging sites. With practice, you can leverage Markdown's full potential to create professional and organized documents effortlessly. The Markdown's Guide is a comprehensive Markdown reference designed for both novices and experts. It was born out for frustration with existing Markdown references that are incomplete, indicate, or both. This is an open source project and your contributions are welcome. The repository is hosted on GitHub. A Markdown Editor is a specialized application designed for writing and formatting text using Markdown syntax. It allows users to create well-structured documents with simple commands, making it a popular choice for bloggers, developers, and technical writers. The editors often provide a distraction-free interface, real-time previews, and seamless export options for enhanced usability. Markdown editors typically offer syntax highlighting, live previews, auto-saving, and support for various export formats like HTML, PDF, and Word. Some advanced editors include cloud synchronization, collaborative editing, and integration with platforms like GitHub or Notion. Many support extended Markdown syntax such as footnotes, tables, and task lists. Markdown editors simply text formatting, making content creation faster and more efficient. They eliminate the need for complex coding or bulky word processors while ensuring compatibility across multiple platforms. The real-time preview feature helps users visualize their work instantly, improving accuracy and workflow. Many Markdown editors are lightweight, free, and open source. Despite their advantages, Markdown editors have a learning curve, especially for beginners unfamiliar with Markdown syntax. Some lack advanced design or formatting options found in traditional word processors. Additionally, not all platforms fully support extended Markdown features, leading to inconsistencies when exporting or sharing content. Markdown is a lightweight markup language that you can use to add formatting elements to plain text documents. It was created by John Gruber in 2004. Markdown is one of the world's most popular markup languages. Using Markdown is different than using YC editor. In an application like Microsoft Word, you click buttons to format words and phrases, and the changes are visible immediately. When you're creating a Markdown formatted file, you add Markdown syntax to the text to indicate which words and phrases should look different. It may take a while to get used to seeing Markdown syntax in your text, especially if you're accustomed to YC applications. You can add Markdown formatting elements to a plain text using a text editor applications, or you can use one of the many Markdown applications for Mac OS, Windows, and OS. Depending on the application you use, you may not be able to preview the formatted document in real time. People use it to create websites, documents, notes, books, presentations, email messages, and technical documentations. Even if the application you're using stops working at some point in the future, you'll still be able to write your Markdown formatted text using a text editing application. The best way to get started with Markdown is to use it. That's easier than ever before thanks to a variety of free tools. Dillinger is one of the best online Markdown editors. Dillinger makes writing in Markdown easy because it hides the stuff happening behind the scenes, but it's worth exploring how the process works in general. When you write in Markdown, the text is stored in a plain text file that has an .md or .markdown extensions. There are lots of applications available, everything from simple scripts to desktop applications that look like Microsoft Word. Despite their visual differences, all of the applications do the same thing. Markdown applications use something called a Markdown processor to take the Markdown formatted text and output it to HTML format. At the point, your document can be viewed in a web browser or combined with a style sheet and printed. First, create a Markdown file using a text editor or dedicated Markdown application. The file should have an .md or .markdown extension. Now, open the Markdown file in a Markdown application. Then use the Markdown application to convert the Markdown file to an HTML document. View the HTML file in a web browser or use the Markdown application to convert it to another file like PDF. It doesn't take long to learn the Markdown syntax, and once you know how to use it, you can write using Markdown just about everywhere. After you signing up for Plot, it creates a Dropbox folder on your computer. Just drag and drop your Markdown files into the folder and proof. They're on your website. It could be easier. Creating presentation in Markdown takes a little getting used to, but once you get the hang of it, it's a lot faster and easier than using an application like PowerPoint or Keynote. Remark GitHub Project is a popular browser-based Markdown slideshow tool, as are Clever GitHub Project and Marp GitHub Project. Markdown is a natural fit for technical documentations. To get started, open the simple Markdown editor. You can use this editor to make presentations, documents, and more. A simple Markdown editor provides an easy way to write and format text without complicated tools. Start by typing plain text and applying formatting for headings, bold and italic text, and list using basic commands. Then navigate to the Markdown Monster website and click Free Download option. Now download this editor on your device. Once downloaded, open the file to start the setup. Make sure to accept the agreement and click the Install button to start installing it. Once installed, open the Monster Markdown Editor. You must install a .NET Desktop runtime to run this application, so click on it to go to the website and download it. Wait for it to complete the download and navigate to Microsoft Desktop runtime. Next, click Install to complete the setup. Markdown Monster is a feature-rich Markdown editor designed for efficient writing, editing, and formatting. It provides a user-friendly interface with a real-time preview, making it easy to see formatted content as you type. The application supports essential formatting options including headings, bold and italic text, lists, links, images, and tables. It also allows you to insert code blocks, footnotes, and custom styling for more advanced documents. It offers syntax highlighting, spell checking, and a distraction-free mode for improved writing focus. Users can export documents to format like HTML and PDF or publish directly to blogs and web platforms. Additionally, option includes customizable themes, keyboard shortcuts, plugin support, and the ability to edit files side by side with a split view. With its extensive features and intuitive design, Markdown Monster is an excellent tool for bloggers and developers. Beginners may find it difficult to understand Markdown syntax initially, especially if they are used to traditional word processors. Unlike word processors, Markdown editors rely on syntax-based formatting rather than direct visual styling, which may be less intuitive for some users. Not all Markdown editors support extended syntax, leading to compatibility issues when exporting or sharing content. Markdown Editor is worth it, especially for users who need a simple, efficient, and distraction-free writing tool. It allows for quick formatting using easy-to-learn syntax, making it ideal for bloggers, developers, and technical writers. The lightweight design ensures fast performance without unnecessary features, unlike bulky word processors. Thanks for watching. Hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.